To install the large language model demo, also known as LLiMa, first make sure your Modalix Devkit is connected to the network and has internet access. You can connect to the Devkit serial console by following the instructions on docs.SiMa.ai. An easier method is to install the SiMa command line tool on your host machine and use the command SiMa-CLI serial. Once connected, type ifconfig and verify that the device has a valid IP address. Next, install the SiMa command line tool on the Devkit by typing pip3 install SiMa-CLI. To access demo assets, you'll need to register at developer.SiMa.ai and be approved. Once registered, log in as SiMa-CLI login, enter your username and password, then you are authenticated. Then remount the NVMe drive by typing SiMa-CLI NVMe remount. This mounts it to the /mnt/NVMe folder. Now go to that folder, create a new directory called LLiMa, and move into it. Then start the installation by typing SiMa-CLI install -v 1.7.0 samples/LLiMa. This command will begin downloading all required files, including models and applications, and assemble them automatically. Depending on your network speed, this process may take anywhere from 40 minutes to 1.5 hours. Once installation is complete, on-screen instructions will guide you through how to run the demo.